Your marketing is finally working. Enquiries are coming in, but the deals are not closing. Here are the 3 reasons why your deals are not getting closed. We call this as a 3-point closing system. Number 1 is speed to response. A manufacturer who responds within 1 hour is 21 times more likely to qualify a lead compared to the one who takes entire day to respond. Most manufacturers take 2 to 3 days to reply. By then, your competitor has already sent a cost estimate. Number 2, the quote is not a close. Most sales teams send the quote and wait. That is not a sales process, that is hope. 80% of sales required 5 or more follow-ups, but most manufacturers stop at 1. Number 3, trust before the meeting. Before your first sales call, send a 2 minutes video of your facility, then 1 client testimonial and your most relevant case study. Manufacturers who implement this report 40% shorter sales cycle because the buyer who walks in already trusting you. I am Nandan, having 2 decades of experience working with manufacturing companies. I help manufacturing companies to grow through our marketing strategy, digital marketing and branding. At Addpro network, we helped 300 plus manufacturing companies to scale. Save this video and audit your sales process against these 3 right now. Follow me for more insight on manufacturing growth strategy and DM me close. I will personally review your follow-up system. Thank you for watching.